Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Leah.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Now let us have the speaking test for weather and seasons. What's the weather like today in your city?
The weather today is rainy in Tucson City.
What clothes do you normally wear on a sunny day?
I wear shirt, t-shirt, and short in sunny day.
What clothes do you normally wear on a rainy day?
I wear t-shirt and jeans in rainy day.
What are the four seasons?
The four season is spring, autumn, winter, and summer.
What special things can you do in spring?
I can get lucky money in my family.
What special things can you see in summer?
I can see fish in Nyacha.
What can you eat in autumn?
I can eat fruit and mooncake in autumn.
What can you do in winter?
I can skating and
Now, what is your favorite season?
my favorite season is summer because in summer I can go to beach with my family.
Okay, that's all for tonight, Leon. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.